Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve November 2024 University question paper under the subject Risk Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V student. In this video, we are going to take up all the practical problem sum that had come in this November 2024 question paper and try to solve them in the most simplest manner. So chalo, let us start one by one what various questions had appeared in the paper and how to solve them in the most easiest manner. The very first question: from the following information, calculate beta of a security. They are given you years, they are given you return on security, they are given as return on market portfolio. Now how to solve such kind of sum? So let us start with column wise. First column may we note down the years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, return on security 35, 38, 34, 40 and 43 and get the total of that. The total comes to 190. Okay. Next, similarly we will find for market return, that's called RM. So we have 22, 26, 24, 28 and 30. The total comes to 130. Now, once I have got the total, the next step will be find the average of RS and RM. So we find RS bar, that is total of RS upon N is number of years 5. 190 divided by 5, which comes to 38. Similarly, RM bar, that is 130 upon 5, which comes to 26. Once you get that, the next column is RS minus RS bar. Okay, RS is this column, RS bar is here. So 35 minus 38, negative 3. 38 minus 38, 0. 34 minus 38, negative 4. 40 minus 38, 2. 43 minus 38, 5. Now this was for RS. Similarly, we'll even do for RM. So RM minus RM bar. So 22 minus 26, negative 4. 26 minus 26, 0. 24 minus 26, negative 2. 28 minus 26, 2. 30 minus 26, 4. The next column, once you got RS and RM bar, the next is RS minus RS bar into RM minus RM bar. Meaning you have to multiply these two columns. So 3 4s are 12, 0 into 0, 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Total comes to 44. Remember, minus into minus is positive. Again, negative into negative is positive. And last, we need RM minus RM bar the whole square. So negative 4 ka square is 16. 0 square is 0, negative 2 is 4, 2 is 4 and 4 is 16. You add up, we got the value as 40. So these are the two columns that you require. Now we apply the formula for beta. So beta is RS minus RS bar into RM minus RM bar, the summation, that is 44, upon RM minus RM bar the whole square. That's the last column, 40. So 44 divided by 40, we get the answer as 1.1. This is how you all had to solve the sum based on beta in the most simplest manner. Okay, I hope everyone have understood this. You all can go through it once. Okay, now next question. The next practical question, I'm reading it out. Following is the information of Rely Limited under the possible state of nature. They are giving you different state of nature: boom, low growth, stagnation, recession. Okay, they are giving you the probability and return. They are asking us to find the expected return and standard deviation. So let us start. First column, state of nature, that is boom, low growth, stagnation and recession. We note down the probability and we note down the return. Now the next column, we need R into P or P into R. So 5 into 0.1, 10 into 0.3, 15 into 0.5 and 20 into 0.1. We get the value as 0.5, 3, 7.5 and 2. Total comes to 13. Okay. This is nothing but our expected return. They are asking us to find the expected return and standard deviation. This is our expected return, also known as R bar. Okay, so first we'll solve the sum and then we'll note the final answers down. So the next column will be now r minus r bar. So 5 minus 13 negative 8, 10 minus 13 3, negative 3, 15 minus 13 2, 20 minus 13 7. Next r minus r bar the whole square. So negative 8 square is 864, negative 3 is 9, 2 ka 4, 749. And last step r minus r bar square into p, that is the probability. So that will be 64 into 0.1, 9 into 0.3, 4 into 0.5 and 49 into 0.1. The total comes to 6.4, 2.7, 2 and 4.9. Total comes to 16. These are the two important answers, values which we require. So first thing, expected return is this total of P into R, that was 13. The 13% is the expected return. Secondly, we need to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but the root of variance, which is root of P into R minus R bar the whole square, which is nothing but the root of 16, which is nothing but 4. So they had asked us to find the expected return and standard deviation. We got expected return of 13% and standard deviation of 4. This is how you all had to solve this particular problem sum. Okay, I hope everyone have understood this. You all can go through it once. Okay, chalo, now let us go to the next sum. That's the last problem sum that was asked in that paper. Question number 5a. Expected losses are given in the table below. They are giving you loss value 1,20,000 0 and the probability 0.02, 0.08 and 0.9. Find the fair premium if policy provides full coverage. Underwriting cost is 12% of pure premium. Claims are paid at the end of the year. Interest rate is 5%, expected claim cost is 1,500 and the fair profit is 3% of pure premium. So in order to find fair premium, you need to solve 3 steps. Okay, the sum will get solved in 3 steps. So we'll start one by one. Step number 1, we need to first find pure premium. It is also called an expected claim. Formula is sum of all the loss value into the probability. So 1 lakh into 0.2 plus 20,000 into 0.08. Okay, plus 0 into 0.9. Okay, this is 0.02. Okay, so 1 lakh into 0.02, 20,000 into 0.08, 0 into 0.9. Okay, so we get the value as 2,000 plus 1,600 plus 0, which comes to 3,600. That's the value of fair premium. Once you have found the fair premium, we now need to find the PV of fair premium or PV of expected claim. The formula is fair premium, or the pure premium. Sorry, not fair premium, it's pure premium. 3,600 upon 1 plus whatever is the interest rate given. Now they have given you interest rate of 5%. In the entire sum, the interest rate is 5%. So it will become 1 plus 0.05. So that is 1.05. 3,600 divided by 1.05, we get the value as 3,429. See, it is 3,428 point something. So we rounded up and made it to 3,429. That is step number 1. So first we have found PV of expected claim. Second, now we need to find PV of admin cost. So for that you need number 1, underwriting cost. So here they have given you underwriting cost is 12% of pure premium. So 12% of 3,600, which comes to 432. Second, expected claim processing cost is given in the question. Expected claim cost is 1,500, so I have written as 1,500 rupees. So expected admin cost, the total comes to underwriting cost plus expected claim cost, so which is 432 plus 1,500, which comes to 1,932. Okay, and then we need to find the PV. So PV of admin is 1,932 upon 1.05. That's the same interest percentage, which comes to 1,840. That's step number 2, finding the PV of admin cost. Third, now we need to find the PV of fair profit. So for that, first we need to find the expected fair profit, which is given in the question, 3% of pure premium. The 3% of 3,600 is 108. And now we find the PV of the fair profit. So 108 upon 1.05, which comes to 103. So now here we have three answers. PV of expected claim 13429, PV of admin cost 1840, and PV of fair profit 103. See, it is 102.8 something, so we have rounded up to 103. Okay. Lastly, we need to apply into the final formula fair premium. So fair premium is nothing but PV of expected claim plus PV of admin cost plus PV of fair profit. 3429 plus 1840 plus 103. The total comes to 5372 rupees. This is how you all had to solve the sum based on fair premium in 3 parts. Okay, I hope you all have understood it. Chalo, you all can go through it once. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have understood this. So with this we have completed all the practical problem sum from this particular paper. So with that we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.